I'm in Tokyo, Japan right now, and I'm here to try the trendy fluffy pancakes that everyone's been raving about. Tokyo has such a unique fluffy pancake culture. These soft, airy pancakes are something that you can't really experience the same way elsewhere. If you're coming to Tokyo, Japan, this is something that you should at least try once. So come with me to explore Tokyo-style fluffy pancake spots. Let's go! Today I'm in Flippers, which is in Shibuya. I think it's a chain store. They also have other stores in different locations. And I think this is one of the most popular fluffy pancakes that you can visit to in Tokyo as well. I really love the atmosphere of the place. It's very colorful and very chill as well. And yeah, I think this place is really famous for their pancakes, so I can't wait to give it a try. Here's the pancake. So I just got one of their most popular fluffy pancake flavors, which is the classic strawberry fluffy pancake. I love how it comes with a really nice amount of toppings as well. It jiggles a little, but it looks very soft and airy. The cream on top looks really smooth as well. Now let's give the pancake a try. It looks like a cushion on the inside. It's really soft and fluffy, and it kind of melts in your mouth once you put it in. And I love how it's not as sweet as well. They have other flavors too, but this one is really simple and I think it's really easy to eat. It's super airy. I can never get enough of this one. I love it so much. I can definitely say that the pancake batter is so much more flavorful out of the other pancake places that I've tried as well. I highly recommend. I am currently in Micasadeco and Cafe Jingumae, which is located in Omotesando. Looking at the cafe interior, it's very cute and very cozy. It's really a minimalist interior design. It doesn't have a lot of seats, but it's got the cozy vibes. Apparently a lot of people wait in line for a really long time, but we were lucky enough to get in with no line at all. But apparently they also serve seasonal pancakes, and that's what we're here for. So today we got the mascarpone cheese and chocolate mousse and berries fluffy pancakes. It's super nicely plated. It's very Insta-worthy, and look at that jiggle. So as you can see, it's 3 stacks of fluffy pancakes with the chocolate mousse on top and the raspberries, I think. And it's also got the sauce here, as well as extra cream on the side. Now let's cut this pancake into half. Ooh. The texture is very soft. Now let's drizzle some of this raspberry sauce on top. A little bit of cream. The taste of the mascarpone cheese is kind of mild. It's not that strong, which makes it a perfect balance for the taste. It's not too sweet either, so it's very enjoyable, and I think it's very easy to eat in comparison to when you eat a really big portion of sweet pancakes. The pancakes aren't really that sweet, but the chocolate mousse and the raspberry sauce, the sweetness of it makes it a really well-balanced sweet treat. So this cream on the side, I think is the mascarpone cheese. And it's really good. I love it so much. Now we've arrived to this building called Omotesando Garden. And on this specific floor, there's a lot of different cafes and restaurants, like all collected together. I think the interior is really fun because all of these cafes have bars attached next to them. And I also love how the place has this Japanese aesthetic to it. As I was talking, the Pancake just arrived, but a little description about the specific cafe that I ordered at. It's called Kizlabo Kitchen, and apparently they're really famous for having gluten-free fluffy pancakes, so I'm really curious to try how the texture and the taste will be in comparison to other fluffy pancakes out there. So here I got the special organic matcha and strawberry fluffy pancakes. It's a 2-layer pancake, but you can also order another layer for an extra price. I really love how the toppings are really like well placed on top of the pancake. It looks like a little castle. And then there's also matcha ice cream on the side with extra strawberries. And like as you can see, there's like matcha powder and I guess icing sugar that's drizzled over the plate. So it makes it look really Instagram worthy. Now let's try how this one will taste. Now let's go try it out. Let's put a bit of ice cream on the pancake as well. And a strawberry. The matcha flavor is actually very rich and I love it. As for the difference in terms of texture, I don't really see any difference in comparison to other fluffy pancakes, but it's really nice and it's like, and it feels like it melts in your mouth too, so I really love that. I think the sourness of the strawberries really give a good balance to the overall taste. I feel like I can also have just the ice cream itself, it's so good.